In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix yellow triangle on the internet connection in Windows 7, 8 or 10. So friends, to fix yellow triangle on internet, firstly click on Start, then Settings. Now click on Network and Internet. Now click on Change Adapter Options. Now right click on your internet connection. In my case, I'm using Wi-Fi, so right click and click on Properties. In here, double click on Internet Protocol version 4 and select this first option, obtain an IP address automatically, and also here select obtain DNS server address automatically. So in both options, select first one, then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC. If this method is not work, so again right click on Wi-Fi, then Properties. Now double click on Internet Protocol. Now this time select this second option, use the following IP address. Now click on Start and type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator, and also you can open Run as Administrator by clicking here. It will ask permission, so click on Yes. Now type ipconfig. Now you need to type this command ipconfig, then press enter. So here friends, you will see your real IP address. So type this IP address like 192.168.43 and 207. Now subnet mask, so 255.255.255.0. So as we can see, it's written here, and default gateway, so 192.168.431, 192.168.43, make properly. So as we can see, all these IP address are same. Now in here you need to type @ and alternative DNS server @ and for. Now check this box, validate settings upon exit, then click on OK. Now click on OK. Now you will see this Windows network will start, and it will show some instruction. So follow this instruction, like as we can see, it says apply this fix. So click here. So it will resolve all problem. Now you need to restart your PC and you will see possible solution, network reset. So close and reset your PC. Hopefully using this simple and very quick method, after a restart, this problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video work for you or not.